What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So I got this phone for Christmas and it was like entirely busted and only a third of the screen works, and I got this gift certificate to get a repair here. And I was wondering if you could maybe do a color change on it as well.
Yes.
And I also actually have a video of when he opened the gift. I gave him this broken eye, busted up iPhone.
Can you send me that video?
Absolutely.
All right, don't worry, I got you. Can't turn it off.
All right. Who was that? Good boy. Oh, so good. Thanks, Ice.
Time to change color. Surgery time. Time to put everything back in. the moment you all have been waiting for. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at this color.
That looks great.
You like the color?
I love the color, dude.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Now you have a fully functioning phone.
It is true.
Not a busted phone.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Gift parents, and then you put your gift.
Michael!
I love when he says your name.
It's broken.
Read the box.
Michael, look.
Wow, school bus.
Hold on, darling. Give him a minute. He's doing something. You like that school bus?
What do you think?
Yeah, let's go!
It's a busted iPhone.
Oh, I think she's excited.
But show what
about
the gift
Great.
certificate is.
Great.
Yes, to
Let
get
me
it
see.
fixed.
What is that? The bag. I guess she really wanted it. Oh, that's good.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.